If you're seeing Steam error 451, don't worry, in this video I'll show you a simple way to fix it step by step. This error usually appears when Steam can't access a page or game because of regional restrictions, account region issues, or a temporary problem with the Steam client itself. The good news is that there are a couple of quick checks you can do right away to get things working again. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, close Steam completely. Don't just minimize the window. Make sure Steam is fully shut down. You can do this by right-clicking the Steam icon in the system tray and choosing Exit. Once it's closed, wait a few seconds, then reopen Steam. This simple refresh can often clear temporary connection or loading issues and may fix the error immediately. If the error is still there after reopening Steam, the next thing you want to check is whether the game, store page, or content you're trying to access is blocked in your country. Error 451 is often related to regional availability, so if Steam is restricting access based on location, the page may not load properly even if everything else is working. Now go into your Steam account settings. From the main Steam window, click on your account name or go to account details, then look for store country. Make sure your store region is correct and matches where you're actually located. If your region is wrong, Steam may show access errors or prevent certain pages from opening properly. Double check that the country listed is the one you currently use for your Steam account. If the region is correct and you're still getting the error, try signing out of Steam and signing back in after a restart. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because connection issues can sometimes make regional errors look worse than they are. You can also try opening Steam again after a few minutes in case the issue was temporary on Steam's side. In many cases, just restarting Steam and confirming your store country is enough to resolve the problem. The key thing is to make sure your account region is accurate and that the content you're trying to access is actually available in your area. So to recap, close Steam completely, reopen it, check whether the page or game is blocked in your country, and then go to account details and verify your store country. That's the fastest way to troubleshoot Steam error 451. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more easy fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.